Most Amazon tools expect you to be an expert on day one. You're staring at dozens of filters with no guidance, and it takes 30 minutes just to figure out what you're looking at. You spend more time learning the tool than finding products. What if you could find your first profitable product in 30 seconds? ScalePilot's new Quick Start feature guides you to products in seconds. Let me show you. First, you choose your goal for your products. Find my first product, high profit products, low risk launch, or trending opportunities. For now, since we're beginners, we'll go with find my first product. For your budget and experience, you can set it to whatever you want. If you're a beginner, we automatically enable beginner mode, as you can see in the top right. After this, we choose a budget range and our experience level, and we can pick our categories. You can take your pick from our suite of products. For now, we'll choose sports and outdoors and baby products, and we can click find products. And that's it, 3 steps, 30 seconds. Now you can see loads of products that correlate to the filters that you chose in one simple dashboard. As you can see, these products have the beginner-friendly badge. Products can only earn this badge if they meet strict criteria: profit, demand, low risk, and overall score. In the dashboard, you actually have a toggle and filters for beginner mode, turning it on and off, changing your preferences and running the wizard again. Here we can also see the product spotlight, curated products that meet strict criteria, high profit, low risk, and proven demand. Traditional tools take 30 minutes. ScalePilot takes 30 seconds to get everything set up. That's almost 60 times faster. We don't just give data, we give direction. Ready to find your first product in 30 seconds? Get started with ScalePilot today.